YouTube, it's your boy Buddha back in the building, bringing another video kind of different, right? Not really much gameplay in this, but a funny video altogether, in my opinion. We got some merch in, and it was short-lived. What you're gonna see in this upcoming footage is kind of my hype that I had built up since this was the first ever Buddha merch that was physical in this world, right? I was excited to get it. However, upon further review, I quickly took it down for many reasons, which I want to kind of go over before you see what you're about to see, because again, like I said, I was hyped. I'm not gonna lie. But here's the cold hard truth of the matter. At first I was going through Streamlabs, which is the software I use to do a lot of my streaming. They also have an option where you can upload your logo, kind of place it digitally where you want on different products, and they will then white label, manufacture, and ship your merch to your viewers if they want to buy them. However, it's no surprise, a big company like that, they want all the money. And because of that, they're going to deliver cheap items. They're going to overprice everything, and they're going to give you a very small cut of what is actually being sold. Making this video also served as a lesson to me and the value of paying attention to your surroundings and audio. You're going to hear a lot of noise in the background, a lot of draining, because I had a nice microphone that my Tío Julián allowed me to use to shoot this video, and I positioned it right next to the washer and dryer and a close distance to the loud, annoying draining that was going on while I was washing clothes. So a lot of takeaways from this video for sure, and I figure why not show you guys the full growing pains, the full process of someone starting from the bottom, chasing a YouTube dream. Like I said, I wanted to get this disclosure out before you saw the full length of this video. With all that being said, I don't want to take up too much time, right? Obviously, we want to get to the actual unboxing, the meat of this video. So, y'all already know the drill. Work hard, play harder. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy this one. Let's just hop right into it. First thing I want to open up, I guess we'll do first come, first serve, is this little cardboard box right here. Let me show the other camera as well. You can tell it is the merch because it's got the coveted Streamlabs logo on top, which is the source that is producing my goods at the moment. We've got our makeshift box opener that I snagged from the kitchen, so let me make sure I'm not cutting myself. Always cut away from yourself, kids. Very important. Make sure we get all sides so we can make this an easy little pop open. Let me put the knife down. That's important. Oh, snap. Well. We may need to test something here. We may need to test something. Because at this moment, I'm a little pissed off. But then, you know, you got to take a second and think, why? Why is the logo not even visible with colors and whatnot? But I think I may know why. So we're going to go ahead and test my theory, and I'll be right back. Moving on to the next one, right? I'm a little more hopeful about these. We're still testing with the mug, so I'll be back with that update right after we pop open this puppy. Look at that transition. So we don't even need a knife. We can just crack this one open. And yes, it looks like we got both goods in one. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So let's start with the standard, right? This is going to be available forever as far as it's planned out now, right? And that's just your standard. Oh, yes. Oh yeah, BoodaFish t-shirt right there. Boom, just smack that logo right in the middle. And that's it. That's it. I did expect it to be a little bigger. I did expect it to be a little bigger based on the print that I had customized on the website, but it looks like it's printed on the shirt pretty well. You know, it doesn't look like it's going to be peeling off anytime soon. Maybe, I may need to take care when machine washing it. I don't want to wear out the logo on the actual shirt, but the shirt quality is super nice. Very soft, like it said, it's a soft style t-shirt. I got a medium for myself. We're gonna wash it, and then you best believe I will have this on starting Monday for the next stream. And the one I'm probably most excited about, and the one that I got for my lovely lady, is this pink hoodie. Let's get it out of the packaging. Nicely folded, right? Nicely folded, comes wrapped up very well. So this, I'm letting you see the logo first before I turn it around. Boom, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is probably 10 out of 10 right here. So not only did I get this for my lady, I got it as for both of us, really. She's excited. She's not here, but she'll be back and can't wait to show her. So just as I thought, I almost forgot. Looks like my experiment did work with the mug. Let me go ahead and show it off to the item showcase camera, right? You can see that logo is looking good on the sides of this mug. Perfect, lovely. I probably could have centered it just a bit better, but I might cut that out because I think it looks perfect. From the beginning, when we opened it, you could barely see the logo. That's because this is the coveted BoodaFish Yin Yang mug, right? It changes color. As you can see, it started off completely black. Now it is a white mug. And that is because I added some hot water to it. Blended the white color upward, as well as exposing the logo, which I think is just one of the coolest things. I think this is the only mug I'm going to be rocking on stream from here on out. Success, a major success. Wow, so cool. Can't wait to use them starting next Monday, next stream. And until then, guys, y'all know the drill. Work hard, play harder. I'll see you in the next one.